Alright, so today I want to do something a little bit different. I have here this pose and we're going to create a character according to it. So let's do this. So first, before thinking about clothes and stuff like that, I want to think about the character personality. With this pose, I think it's a very relaxed character, positive and confident. That's what I get from the pose. Of course, we can all have a different feeling from just one pose, but try to keep these traits to a minimum. Don't give too many traits so you don't get lost. Just 3 words like this is more than enough to try and create a character. And so now I want to do some sketches of clothing, hairstyles, how their face looks. Alright, so I have here 3 characters, 3 very different characters, but that I feel they do fit with the pose. We have someone very sporty. She looks like she's very active all the time. She's the one having the ideas for games or activities that their friends group might want to do. Then we have someone maybe not as active in a sports-like way, but they like to go hike, they like to know new things or learn new things, they like to be around nature, they like to draw and paint and just do things that make them happy. And then we have someone a bit more alternative in a way, but also very confident on her own style, and maybe she would like to work on fashion. So she's very positive about it, she's very confident on the things she does and her own style. So I like them all very much. I think they, even with the same themes, they are very different characters. I don't know, I kind of feel that the first 2 are something that I always draw, or I draw more often. So I think I'm going to work on this one, since it's a little bit different. So I'm going to be cleaning up the sketch, make my line art, and I will see you right after I finish this line art. Alright, so I think I have the line art done. Now let's put the opacity at maximum here again and erase all these lines that we don't need. The body lines, we don't need any of this. I change here the shape of the face a little bit, not a lot, just I thought it would look better this way. But so far this is what we have. If you ever want to create a character and you're not sure what to do yet, then why not start with just a pose? Just grab a pose that you like, and from there you can have some ideas, because the pose someone is doing tells us a lot about their personality. So I think this is a great way to figure out a character. Maybe even this first drawing might not be the final idea, but at least you're starting somewhere, and then later you can flesh out the character even more. Like for me, this will definitely not be the final idea for her, but I like her hair, for example, I like her face, her eyebrows. Maybe I would work a little bit more on the outfits. I don't know, from here I can think about her personality a bit more, her story. Like I said, I can imagine her being a fashion student. She makes her own clothes, she's very confident in her style, she's very outgoing, she likes going out with her friends, going to concerts, going to the cinema. And I thought about all of this just with the help of one pose. So you'll be able to download this pose, the first template I showed you. I invite you into downloading and drawing your own character from this pose. And don't forget to share it with me. You can post it on Instagram and tag me at art by Corgi, or even on Twitter at Corgi. So make your drawing, create your character from this pose, and then share it with me so I can see it. I always like to see the works that you guys do, so don't be afraid to show it. So we have everything right now. We sketched our character out, chose an outfit, an hairstyle, and now it's time to choose a color palette. And for that, I'm going to be using Colors. Colors is a very cool app, and I really recommend using when you don't know what colors to use for your characters or your drawings in general. And now they had actually an update where you can personalize some more things than before, and I'm going to use this to create a palette for my character. I'm going to try and choose a random palette for my character that I think fits her. So I'm going to remove these ones. I want to use only 3 colors. I don't like to use a lot of colors, so let's try to use just 3. And now let's look for some. I just need to press my space bar, and there we go. I actually like this one a lot. Do I want to use this one? I'm going to keep it. I'm going to print screen it and paste it here because I really like it, but I don't want to stay in the first option. This one is nice as well, but I'm not sure if it fits her. I want her to have a weird combo of colors. I like this one as well. Okay, so we have here 2 color palettes, and we're going to try them. So I'm just going to grab my brush here, pick the colors, and now let's try and choose. I really like the first one, so I'm going to start with that one. So I'm going to use this for color scheme. I'm just going to be coloring this very quickly, so I'll see you in a few seconds after coloring her. Alright, I tried working with both color schemes, but my favorite is definitely the first one. I really like this color scheme right here. I think it's really, everything works really well. This one I feel it's a bit too much, too saturated. It's not the kind of colors I use as much, you know. I rather have something a bit less vibrant. This one is my first. I'd say this is the character, and this is just another version trying to work out another color scheme, but this is just chosen one. Do tell me what you think of this character. Leave a comment or 2 about it if you like this kind of exercise, if you want to try it out. Actually, I just thought of something. We are missing something to make this character, to actually finalize this character, which is a name. We don't have a name for her. So if you have any ideas for her name, feel free to put that in the comments as well. I'm very curious to see. Like, subscribe, hit that bell button, and I will see you in the next one. And remember, keep on drawing.